With an estate planning attorney, you're talking about the future. It's not just doing documents today, it's about touching base and building a relationship. One way that I can create connection with my clients is if I'm actually vulnerable myself. I mean, once you know my story, that I'm a gay man, I'm a black man, grew up in Cobb County, and during the 90s in a very conservative time, generally encouraged you to hide parts of yourself so that you could not be held back in opportunities or have people treat you differently. It gives me a level of empathy that I don't think a lot of parts of law have. This is like a two-way relationship. When our clients love us, we want to love them.
My grandmother passed away, and she was kind of our role model. She was like the glue to our family. Seeing her not having her things together, it made us realize we need to do an estate plan. We need to figure out what's going to happen to my kids if something happens to me. I wanted to find somebody who could empathize, not sympathize. So when I came across Steven, he let me speak. He assured me of the things that I needed for my children, the things I needed to plan for my legacy. Everybody needs to have a plan in place. If you care about your family, if you care about your loved ones, do this one last thing for them.
We have a very specific vision for what we want to be. We don't want to be like every other estate planning firm in the city. We have something very specific in mind for what we want. We want to do more than everybody else. And we pursue that with a lot of passion. And I really like that about working here because I have the room to be the kind of attorney that I want to be and work with my clients in a way that I think is going to be the most effective.
A lot of people want to avoid death. They want to avoid talking about it. They want to avoid dealing with it. They want to avoid thinking about it. And it's really powerful to be able to kind of grab the bull by the horns and be like, okay, this is going to happen. What do you want to do about it? What estate planning kind of allowed you to do was to sit down with someone, really get to know them, and to kind of put them on a roadmap to a better life. If you think about your legacy, it kind of gives you more purpose in your life. I want people to say that at my funeral. I want people to value that about me. So now you kind of have that ending point where now you can kind of help live a better life to kind of close up that gap. If you want to take control of your legacy and become the active participant of the way the rest of your life plays out, estate planning is an extremely valuable way to do that. And our team would be thrilled to help you take that next step forward.